So Marley has blankets here. He wants to put all his animals to sleep in the blanket. So first animal is, what's this one, Marley? What animal's going to sleep first?
Moo.
Moo. A cow. There's your cow. Which animal's going to sleep next? What animal's this one?
Wake up.
Well, wake up. Wake up, cow, because your friend's coming. What's the friend? Who's the friend? What's this one?
Pig.
Pig. Pig says oink.
Lovely pig.
Lovely pig. What's this one, Marley?
Friends.
They're friends, are they? Their friends are asleep on the blanket. What's this one? Marley, what's this one?
Animals.
They're animals. You've got two so far. What's this one?
But
A what?
yacht. Piggy.
The piggy.
Oink, oink,
Piggy
oink.
says oink. Who's this one here?
Cow moo, moo.
The cow says moo. And who's this one?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Here's the rabbit.
Rabbit. Cheer.
The rabbit. What does the rabbit do?
Rabbit.
Ribbit. That's a frog. What does the rabbit do? It goes
Hop,
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 hop.
hop, hop. Here's the rabbit. Where are you going to put the rabbit? Where are you going to put the rabbit?
Ben.
Oh, they're friends. The cow and the rabbit are friends. Who's this one?
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, cow. Who's coming in next? Who's this one, Marley? Who's this one?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Bah.
And the sheep says bah. Who's this one?
Dog.
Dog. What is
Dog.
it?
Wolf, wolf, wolf.
Dog says wolf. Is the dog going to sleep? What about this one? Who's this? Who's this?
Meow.
Meow. What says meow?
Meow, meow.
Does Marley say meow?
Yep.
Who's this?
Cat.
Cat. That's it.
Meow.
Cat. Good job. Okay, what's this one? Who's next?
Sticky.
Who is it?
Mouse.
Mousey. What does the mouse say?
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Oh, the tick-tock mouse went up the clock. Okay. Mouse usually would say squeak, squeak, squeak.
Mouse are touch, ding dong.
Ding.
Dong.
That's lovely singing. The mouse went up the clock. And what's this one, Marley?
Tot, 2, 3, tot, in mouth of feet.
Oh, I like that song.
Yeah,
And who's this?
that.
A what?
Rabbit that.
A cat?
Rabbit that.
A rabid cat?
That.
A duck?
Yeah, the dog.
I think it's actually a baby chicken.
Baby chicken.
Baby chick.
Baby chick.
And who's this one? Who's this one?
Apple.
It sounds like an apple, but it's an alpaca.
Pata.
Alpaca, that's it.
Bubble.
Oh, there's a horse missing. Where's the horse? We saw the horse before. Here it is. Sit down. Here's the horse.
Piggy dog. Piggy dog.
Which one?
Piggy dog.
The which one?
Pig.
The pig. Yeah, the pig was here. The pig was there. But here's the horse. Put the horse in with all the friends. Put the horse in. Say good. Oh, the horse is sleeping in its own blanket. The horse has a blanket all to itself, and then all the other animals has just got, they've got one blanket between them. Oh, good night.